What's good, everyone? I'm Emma. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm Tyler. What's good, everyone?
Back again for a Q&A, but this is the first time Tyler's being in my Q&A, and I'm really excited.
Yep, it'll be interesting. I don't know what any of the questions are, so I'm just going to have to wing every answer. So, see how it goes.
I have looked through them. I have written them down on my notebook so that I'm not just like staring at a phone the whole time. And we're going to give you the realest answers that we can.
Let's do it.
All right, favorite things to do for date nights. Ooh, I love date nights. I'm very romantic. I love, fancy dinners, but I also love stay at home in our pajamas with pizza, playing Madden. I love both. I love bowling. I love doing everything with you. Yeah,
she's definitely more of a date night person. I mean, I would consider a fun date night to be something like, something a little bit more thrilling, I guess. Like, I love food, I like going to dinner. I like watching movies too. I mean, that's all just typical stuff that people like. I enjoy that. Yeah, I think stuff like skydiving, like racing cars, like, I think that would be fun.
I see
a little bit more adrenaline junkie type stuff would be, but it's still a date. Like, yeah, it's not a date night, but it's like my idea for what a fun date would be is like exposing you to like a little bit more of the wild side of things, instead of like, you done?
Yeah.
Instead of like, a slow dinner and like dancing and flowers and all this, I'm talking about just like, pack punched speed and just
woo, date night.
Yeah. I would just have a good time seeing your reaction.
Yeah.
Basically.
I also love breakfast dates. I think they're really cute. How long are you gonna do YouTube? Well, I'm planning on doing it basically as long as it makes me happy. I'm gonna be real. My dream is to become a YouTuber, and in my opinion, you get one life. Your dreams shouldn't just be dreams. Just like Shia LaBeouf's funny video. You've probably never seen that because you never see anything. But remember the Just Do It vid? Yeah, like I think you should really make your dreams your goals. So I'm not giving up. I love YouTube, and that's my dream. So I don't see an end anytime soon. Do you want kids? So obviously that's not coming anytime soon. I'm 21. He's 20. But eventually, yes, I really, really want kids. I love babies. I might want to be like a mother baby nurse, and we both happen to want the same amount of kids. We both want like 2 kids, but
yeah, I'd be down with 2 kids. I mean, in a long time, and hopefully we're still together. Everything works out like for the long term. But I do not want kids for like 5 years. Like, let me make that clear. Like, probably around 5 or 6 years, I wouldn't want kids. Like, I don't know. I think like 25 to like 28 after you're married is a really good range to have kids.
A fresh and cool parent, but you're still like ready.
Absolutely, financially ready and just mature enough, just emotionally ready, just everything, just fully ready.
Exactly. So yeah. Eventually, yes, but not now.
Not now.
All right. Dream place to travel together.
Ooh, okay, we're gonna have to split this one up. I'll let you go first.
If I pick one place, my dream is to go to Bora Bora. If you look at it, the ocean's just the most beautiful blue, and it's so tropical. They have those huts on the lake, on the water, and it's just breathtaking.
Yeah, I've seen some pictures. It is incredible, but you want to tell them how expensive it is per night? Yeah, of course, the place she wants to stay. Let's see how expensive it is.
It was like $10,000 a night or something.
$10,000 a night. That's insane.
But it's
insane.
It's my dream place. If
True.
We're talking about
it is a dream place.
What about you? Just one.
Oh, just one. See, that's really hard because I want to do so many different things. But I think that instead of a tropical hangout on the beach type of thing, I'd like to do something a little bit more productive with my vacation. I think that it would be really fun to like, what?
Ew.
No. Yeah, we do have slight disagreements on vacation expectations. I'm the kind of guy who likes to, go do stuff, go hiking, go look at things, and she just wants to sit and do nothing all day, pretty much.
To lay in the sun.
And anyways, back to that. I think that it would be really fun. I have not been skiing a whole lot, but I do love it. I did love it every time I ever went, and I think it would be really cool to go in the Swiss Alps and ski.
How long did we hang out before we were dating? Can I answer this? So we met at the end of July. We hung out like literally every single day in August. And then he asked me out mid-September. So a little over a month and a half probably.
Yeah, not that long. It was about a month and a half.
But also, like I said, we were together every single day. So we got to know each other like pretty good by then.
That's true.
We got comfortable with each other pretty fast.
Yeah, we did. Normally, you know, I guess in the past, I was like extremely selective of who I wanted to date. I just, you know, I figured what's the point of dating someone if, you know, you're not thinking about the long run, just because that opens up more of an opportunity to, I don't know, get hurt, you know, like if you date and break up all the time, you know, it just kind of makes it feel like just another relationship, like, you know, and not quite as special. You know, now I decided that I want to go for the long run. So
all right.
We're on this marathon together.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Relationship advice. That's so broad. Okay.
That is a very vague thing to say, but
although I do
narrow it down.
I do believe we have a really good relationship because of a couple of main things. We're extremely honest and open with communication. Sometimes it can be a little much.
Yeah, she does not enjoy the pure honesty sometimes, but I mean,
it can be a little harsh. Trust comes with time, but
oh yeah, a lot of time. For me, it took a lot of time.
I have a video in the works where we're gonna do how to tell if you're in a toxic relationship and how to fix it. So if you're having some troubles or like things to look out for in a relationship, and kind of how to fix that, how to have a healthy relationship. So since it's such a broad question, we'll just have you wait for when we do that video. But
sounds good.
Make sure you always have each other's back and support each other through everything.
Yeah, communication's a big thing too. You know, you always, if you feel off, you feel weird, just say it. I mean, and that comes in with the, you know, the harsh honesty. Mm-hmm. You know, sometimes if you're feeling a certain way, like if you feel like your girlfriend is, you know, being a little bit too, you know, involved with like someone else, don't be afraid to just mention it, you know, and then if it's an argument, it's an argument, but at least it's in the air, and then, you know, you'll both be able to have time to think about it.
It's better to know what each other is thinking. What are some tips for increasing stamina and endurance when you're working out?
Ooh.
He was a personal trainer, so he can help out.
All right. Well, I think the one important thing, you know, is to try to get in a relatively steady routine. You know, kind of train your body. Say you work out from around 3 to 5 every day. You want to try to go back to the gym, you know, however many times you're going to go from around 3 to 5, because then your body is just like, all right, you know, it's time to go to the gym. Your body actually will like acclimate, you know, like a little bit, and it'll get used to that, and it'll adapt to the time that you go in there. Also, rest time is really important, you know, after you bang out a set. Make
sure you're drinking water, eating healthy, and getting a lot of sleep. I mean,
those 3 things too.
It's very cliche, but that's literally what your entire body is food, water, and sleep. So just listen to your body, do what it needs.
Yeah, it's really important, and like, you know, I'm not going to get too intricate here because it actually does get pretty intricate once you start getting into set times and rhythms and all that, but it is important, you know, depending on your repetition range, if you're lifting, how long you wait before you go again, because if you go too quick, you're not going to get,
just kind of burn out.
You're not going to get your full set in.
All right, what are our personal and relationship goals for the next 5 years? Okay guys, we're actually going to stop this here since this is going to be a pretty long video. If you want to watch the rest of our questions, we definitely have some juicy ones coming up. So
they're coming.
Subscribe, and this will be the next video that I post is Q&A part 2. But thank you for watching. Have a great day. Make someone smile, and I'll see you guys next time.